About 4 years ago, I got my hands on this Nikon EM, which is not bad as a beginner camera, but not quite there, you know, lacking in certain manual features, but a beautiful little bit of legacy right there. For barely 60 quid, I got the body with new seals. That's important when you're buying a film camera, unless you know how to change or test the seals. Well, of course you can throw film in it and see if there's any light leaks. Anyway, $59.99 delivered with this 50mm 1.8 Nikon Series E, and that's what we're going to be checking out in this video. If you've been paying attention lately, you know that I really like the 100mm version of this, and this lens actually did me very proud shooting film for fun, and I want to see how this little beauty works on my Fuji Bodies. I'm confident anyway. So we're going to get the adapter, fit it together, fling it on, and we're good to go. Of course, as always, you can go into the menu and just for the EXIF sake, set the mount adapter to 50, which isn't in there, so you've got to make it yourself. There you go, 50. As I always say, and no one has corrected me yet, I think that is literally just for the EXIF file, nothing else. So you don't have to do it, but anyway, nice little habit. And there it is, it's in and it's good to go. So let's go shoot this and see if it's as good as the 100mm version. I expect it is, but let's just see. As always, everything straight out the camera, shot wide open. I might stop it down, but you'll know when I've stopped it down. But for the most part, wide open. And I do that not just because I enjoy it, but because generally as you stop a lens down, it gets better and better. So if you can get something decent wide open, then you know what you're starting with. I don't know, that's just my personal preference. Let's just get out there and see how we get on, and I'll see you on the other side. Now this didn't quite go as well as I'd hoped, based on the fact that it worked well on my Nikon film cameras, and also after having had a good mess about with the 100mm version of the Series E on the T20, on the T2, and really enjoying that one. This wasn't quite as inspiring as I'd hoped. Of course, I may have a less than perfect copy. I mean, looking at it seems fine, but I was getting some serious issues with purple fringing, chromatic aberration. It was a little bit, yeah. But I'd still recommend it if you can get your hands on it dirt cheap. Why not? It's tiny, yeah, the adapter doubles the size, but it's still got that Nikon flavour. It's still worthy, and you can definitely get it right if you know what you're doing. If you want to experiment and play around, this lens, yeah, it can produce something nice for you. You can get nice contrasty sharp images out of it. You just got to be careful, as always, with the light and with that you know, fringing. I don't know. Anyway, what did you think? Or what have you tried out that you found to be surprisingly decent or surprisingly bad? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and get involved, and yeah, it's all about that conversation below. So I'll put a link to the adapter below. You search for those lenses, as we always say, on eBay, charity shops, friends' houses, house clearance, all that good stuff. You never know what gems you'll find and what images you'll get that you might have otherwise missed for whatever reason, I don't know.